Things are really coming together here on the new Potion dashboard. I've been hooking all these things up, the snippet injection, the little editors for the different pages, all of that. And so now what I was just doing is these are site-wide settings. And so the change I made was all of these little different fields had just a lot of text with them from previously. Just like this one right here, this is the only one I haven't changed. And so you can see I've added these little icons, and these share information. You know, I wanted to make it so that you can easily, at a glance, you know, start clicking through, see information, see what you currently have it set. But then if you really are like confused or something, have something to kind of point you in the right direction, because I don't expect everyone to understand like what a custom domain is, what a public Notion URL is, and where you can find it and things like that. And so this is a great way to do that. CSS wise, if you want a little CSS tip of how you can make these, you need to have the outer div be relative, and then the inside div where you actually do the pop-up needs to be absolute. So that can always, you know, trick you up a little bit. So that's kind of the quick fix on that. So yeah, it's really coming together. This is all hooked up as well. I think the last thing I have to hook up is this custom menu here, and hooking this up so it's actually hooked up to the right state and everything. Might have a couple extra UI changes here, but it's really coming together. So I don't know, I'm thinking maybe a week or two, might be 2 weeks still before I really test everything and have all this good to go, because we still have some more stuff to do, and I'll share that with you here.